Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to create your account and manage your password in Access Pro. Let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is click Create Account. When you click this button, a form will open.
Here, enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Confirm your password and continue.
Done! You can now access the main Access Pro dashboard and start managing your time and income. You can also change your password from within the app. Go to Settings, then tap Profile.
Go to the Change Password section. On this screen, you'll find 3 fields to complete: Current Password, New Password, and Confirm New Password. Enter your current password, set a secure new password, and confirm it. Then tap Change Password to save the changes. Done! Your password has been successfully updated.
If you forgot your password and can't sign in, you can easily recover it. From the sign-in screen, tap Forgot My Password. Enter your email address and continue. You'll receive an email to reset your password. Open that email and tap Reset My Password. Set your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Done. You can now sign in to Access Pro again.
With this, you now know how to create your account and manage your password in Access Pro. Control your time. Control your income.